Leo, hi, welcome to Gold Tarot. Today I'm gonna do a reading for you guys. This is for the month of next half of April, 16 April to 30 April. Okay, so let's see what is coming for you guys. And to my all Hindi and Urdu, क्या हाल है? Okay, sending you so many blessings and abundance and love and health and wealth. Okay, so yeah, let's see what is coming for Leos for the next half of April 2020. Let's cut the deck for you guys, Leos. So here you are, very passionate, very strong, and very action taker mode. Okay, Queen of Cups, Seven of Cups. Some of you are dealing with a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio. Empress, beautiful, just right in the middle of your reading. So this is the Libra full moon energy reacting. Beautiful. Moon, okay, Star. So many major arcanas on your reading. In your reading, beautiful. Tower, Leo, some kind of tower moment. Okay, but I'm feeling from the cards that Leo, you want to take action in some kind of situation. It must be for your romantic or also for your work related situation. So yeah, you want to take action and just want to make something stable for you with this Empress card present here. And yeah, you want to take a leap of faith or something with this Seven of Wands present here, because this is a different deck. So yeah, you want to take a leap of faith towards something, towards the healing, and that will be also a surprise for you, Leo, because you didn't expect from yourself like this kind of action. So that's why it's also a surprise for you from the universe, because you've just click your intuition and then go for it. Beautiful. Okay, we have Queen of Cups, Seven of Cups, and the Ace of Wands in your recent past, and someone is very in love with you, and they want a new fresh start with you, but you were a little bit in Seven of Cups energy, like you were a little bit confused in the past, but now you know exactly what you want in your life. With this Justice card present here, you know exactly what is your mission, what you want to do in your life, what you want to achieve in your life. So this is your goal, this abundance Empress. You want to be abundant, you want to be very balanced, you want equal give and take in every relationship, in every kind of situationship. If there is a work partnership, so you want equal give and take and very stable balance energy. Yeah, you just don't want to waste any kind of your energy on any kind of people who are lower vibrational, and they just energy takers. So that's why you just don't want to deal with them. Beautiful. In your near future, we have Star, Seven of Wands, and Tower. So this is some kind of second chances for you with this Star card present here, for building up this courage to make a decision, to take a leap of faith towards unknown. And this Tower moment will be a surprise for you. This is not any kind of like tough situation or something like that. Obviously, unknown is always something, uh, a little bit rough, but you have built up your courage with this action taker mode. You now decided that yeah, you want to go for it. Let's see, why is this King of Wands wanna do, why the King of Wands is here for Leo, please. High Priestess, yeah, intuition. Hanged Man, Hierophant. Beautiful. So yeah, Leo, you have uh, done a very good job on your spirituality. That's why High Priestess and Hierophant is here. This is also a spiritual couple, very strong spiritual couple, and both of you, you and your person, were a little bit stuck in the past before, and now your perspective both has changed, and now you want to move forward. And some of you is a teacher, something like that, teacher student connection, or you are following your intuition. That's why universe is providing you your abundance and your blessings and your happiness. That's why you are feeling very calm and very balanced energy and very relaxed. I like it. Very relaxed. Beautiful. Let's see why is this Queen of Cups is here. Why is the Queen of Cups is here for you guys? Five of Cups, Fool, Queen of Wands. So beautiful. We have another pair with this King and Queen of Wands present here. So both of you are very passionate about each other in the past, and both of you want a new kind of beginning in your brand new life in the past. Yeah, you just want to upgrade your relationship in the past, but something happened, and for some of you, your person is feeling sad because something happened, and that's why both of you are feeling a little bit stuck, yeah, in the past. So you or your person are feeling like they had missed an opportunity, and yeah, that's why they're sad. They are crying over spilt milk with this Five of Cups present here. They just don't know why all things happen in the past, why both of you broke up. So let's see, I just want to know why is the Tower here, because all those cards are very beautiful and happy. So let's see why is the Tower here. Strength, Leo, here you are. Ten of Swords, Ten of Wands. Okay, so yeah, this Tower is necessary for your growth, for you to be a strong person, because with this Tower you want to end all those past burdens and all those heartaches and worries of the past, because you still have something about past in your mind. This is the Swords, the thoughts, and yeah, you are a little bit thinking about it. Yeah, that's why that like those thoughts are making you worried. So just forget it and let it go and end those chapter, okay, so that you can be in your mode and you can receive so many blessings like abundance. Okay, let's see why is the Moon here for Leos. Moon for the Leos, please. Queen of Swords, Eight of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles. Okay, so Leo, this must be your person who is very now determined, or must be you, because they have some kind of fears about commitment before in the past. Like they just don't want to tie down with you in a commitment or in a marriage or something like that, but now they have built up their courage and they are very determined to their goals, to their work situation. And if they will have some kind of long partnership offer with this Ace of Pentacles present here, they will accept it and they are not afraid of it anymore. And if it is you, so you are now very strong, and yeah, you are not afraid of any kind of commitment right now, because you are very determined, and yeah, you are paying attention on your work. That's why universe is giving you all those opportunities and blessings which you are capable of. Okay, okay, beautiful. Okay, let's see why is this Seven of Wands here. What kind of new beginnings you want in your life right now, what kind of situation you want to jump in. Seven of Wands for the Leos, please. Yeah, okay, you just want to run away from all these drama situation with the Seven of Swords present here, and now you just don't want to hold back anymore. You just want to speak up with this Page of Swords present. You want to be free. You can see the arms are open, so you want freedom, and that is coming your way, because you just want to be like master of your own life. You just don't want to be any kind of a prisoner situation, or because thoughts are also making you feel like victim mentality and something like that. So you are moving away from that betrayal of the past, Leo, and you are healing yourself with the Star card present here, from your past experience with your past person, obviously, or who is whoever you're dealing with. Okay, which is good. Now the things will be balanced for you with this Libra present here, Justice card, obviously. Yeah, definitely. Let's have an advice for you guys. Advice for the Leos, please. Advice for the Leo people, please. Eight of Swords, Five of Swords, Eight of Wands. Yeah, yeah, So universe is telling you, just don't held back, don't think that you are stuck in your any kind of situation. You are free. No one can make you stuck in any kind of situation. Your thoughts cannot also. Okay, so just be free and ignore all those dramas and conflicts and arguments of your life, because so many beautiful things are coming your way with this Eight of Wands. This is a very positive card, and you will receive some kind of communication about this long-term partnership, because new things are also coming your way. You have beautiful opportunities on your table right now. So just accept it and be open, follow your intuition, so that you can have your beautiful commitments in your life. Okay, it's a very beautiful and healing connection you are going towards. So just pay attention on your intuition. Okay, so yeah, Leo, it's very beautiful reading for you for the next half of April. I hope this will resonate with you. If it is, you can give this video a thumbs up, and also you can subscribe to my channel. Bye, Leos.